Ever wondered why some parts of your skin seem darker than others? Or why those freckles and age spots just won't fade? This phenomenon, known as skin pigmentation, can be a source of frustration for many, but understanding its causes can be the first step to managing it effectively. Skin pigmentation is primarily caused by sun damage, which affects areas of the body most frequently exposed to the sun. However, it can also be the result of certain medications, including chemotherapy drugs, hormonal changes during pregnancy, endocrine diseases like Addison's disease, melasma, insulin resistance, and even skin irritation or trauma. Now that we've established the causes, it's time to delve into some home remedies that can help improve the appearance of those pesky dark spots. Firstly, the gel from the humble aloe vera plant can be used to manage many skin conditions, including hyperpigmentation. Aloesin, the active ingredient in aloe vera, can prevent an excess of melanin production, thereby reducing hyperpigmentation. To reap the benefits, simply apply aloe vera gel directly to the affected area or incorporate it into your homemade face masks. Next, we have green tea, renowned for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Not only does it have skin lightening effects, but it can also manage hyperpigmentation lesions and prevent skin redness caused by ultraviolet radiation. Create a soothing green tea face mask or add it to your homemade mask recipes for a natural and effective treatment. Lastly, incorporating soy into your diet can also be beneficial. Known for its skin lightening properties, soybean can help with post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation due to acne, photo damage, facial hypermelanosis, and melasma. Try sipping on soy milk to get the much-needed benefits. In summary, skin pigmentation, while common, can be a source of annoyance for many. Its causes range from sun damage and certain medications to hormonal changes and skin trauma. However, nature provides us with a variety of home remedies to combat this issue, including aloe vera, green tea, and soy. Incorporating these remedies into your skincare routine can help manage and reduce the appearance of skin pigmentation, leading to a more even and radiant